You know how there's always one thing on your car that you never want to do, but you know you end up having to? Well, welcome to my car. I have to do a fuel pump. Because when you plug it in, which I need to figure out anyway, it makes that noise. So today I'm going to be replacing my fuel pump. And since this is a different ECU on this car, it's powered differently. So how you get to it is you pull off your carpet. I pulled out the wheel well because I have to take out or access the fuel door here. So as a word of warning, if your fuel pump door doesn't work, this is your culprit. Mine's broken, so you're going to need to get a new one. Well, first you've got to take off this cover, unplug these two wires, and then we're going to move on from there. And then you push these rubber stoppers back through. Now you'd think this would be where the fuel pump is, but no, it's just the fuel level sending unit. So leave that one, and we're going to proceed with taking off the tank. Next up with taking off the tank, it's going to be removing this fuel pump cover right here. Get a hammer, there's a little ring around here if it wants to focus, and that's what you knock out. Here's the piece. You see these little notches? That's what you knock around. Turn it left, and then now it's free. You're then going to want to jack up the car, the rear of the car. I like using the diff to a lot of people. So get that up there, throw some jack stands under the car, and then we'll move forward. Always make sure you have something in front of the wheel to stop it from moving forward. And then once you've got it all jacked up, every 21mm impact and buzz off the wheel. We're now on the passenger side, right next to the fuel tank, and got to take this plus the out here. Looks good. Fuel filler neck. There's about five bolts. They're all 10 mil. Take those out to reach this stage. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts holding the rest of this in. Remove that, and then we'll go down to the straps. Okay, so next is the tricky bit. Right here. This is one of the straps, and then down there. That's the second strap. These two hold the tank on. I'm not going to videotape it coming down because it still has fuel in it, and I don't want to make a mess and kill this camera. After you undo the two bolts, you have to put a jack under the fuel tank with a piece of wood on it so it doesn't puncture the tank. And then be very careful if there's fuel in it to pull these down, pull these straps down. Then on top there are three lines that need to be removed. One where the wrench is right now, one in between, and then one right here. Undo those three, and the tank should come out. I apologize, there's actually 4. There's the... Okay, so now the fuel tank's down. Right here, it's on the far right side. That's where the pump is, so they're all 8mm bolts, so I'll take it out and then we'll move on from there. Okay, here we go. This is the fuel pump right here. On the right side. For some reason they didn't design it. So you could actually access it inside the car. Okay, here's the fuel pump. I don't know if it's bad or not, but I decided to change it just in case, due to the fact that it's squealing so much. But I am happy with, so I'm gonna try to get you guys here to see it. There we go. If you can look inside, that fuel tank looks brand new. It's really nice. I can't get a really good vision on it. Yeah, you see the bottom there? It's all nice still. I actually really like this fuel tank, so it'll be great going forward. Now for the fuel pump, this is actually from a 240SX. The 300ZX ones, either 300ZX are huge. You can just literally put this to the side of the bracket and it'll work fine. I'll show you when I'm done, but this is a 340 liter per hour, so it'll have way more fuel than I need to. I'm going to be testing this because this is a $40 fuel pump. I've heard good things about it, so we'll see from where it goes. Okay guys, I lost a bunch of footage, so unfortunately I can't tell you what, or show you what happened, but in the end, the old fuel pump, the Kemso, don't get it. Here's the end of it, right here. It works, but once you pressurize for too long, it pops off because there's no barb to hold that on. This is the second fuel pump I got from them. The first one was broken off in the package. This one, this is how their design is, so there's no way to fix that unless you put a barb on the end, and I'm not going to do that. So in the end I got a Walbro 255 from C31 online. It went in perfectly, starts up fine, but besides that, it just sucks when you have to do things twice just because the first product is subpar. So do not get that. $40, do not pay that, because it works, but it won't hold pressure. About $100 I think I paid on Z31 online. They have a bunch of Z31 300ZX parts. I'd go to them. So that about wraps it up. The car runs fine. I love the new fuel pump. But besides that, I'm good. So, guys, have a great day. Thank you very much.